Have you been searching for remote jobs in 2025 as a content creator, and you've just been searching for content creator, and so far so good, you've not gotten anything? Well, I'm here to help you out. Hey guys, welcome to Anything Content. My name is Naomi Salami. I love saying my name. Today I'll be telling you about top 3 remote jobs that content creators can do in 2025 and that actually pay well if you know where to look. Lego. Number 1, content marketing strategist. You know how I've talked about me being a content marketer? Yes, it has a little bit of dough in it. So as a content marketing strategist, you basically be in charge of the brand's content plan, the strategies from SEO, blog posts, newsletters, even the social media aspects of it. So it's more about the strategy than managing the team under you or with you that would be helping you with execution. You're basically in charge of the whole content plan of that brand. Whether the plan fails or succeeds, it's all on that content strategy that you're going to come up with. And if you do your job well and if you do it right, the brand is definitely going to succeed. Number 2, SEO content writer. Now these people are different from content writers, even though I think content writers are basically SEO content writers. So what I mean by SEO content writers, SEO meaning search engine optimization. These are content writers that write content that ranks well on Google, that when somebody searches for that topic, it's going to be on top of Google's first page. And there are lots of content that want to show up on Google's first page. So it's not just going to be your content. It's your job as an SEO content writer to make sure that the keywords are in place, it is optimized, and it ranks well. Now, if you want to add a little twist to that job, you would impute that you have a little bit or you have experience with AI, because AI like ChatGPT actually helps with SEO optimization, helping you with the keywords, helping you with most asked questions, basically helping you with your content outline. And when you put the right prompt, because I'm basically learning the whole prompting thing now. I'm still a novice. God should help me. But if you put the right prompt to bring out the best headline for your content, and you basically work with it. So if you are an expert at prompting with AI, you can add that with your SEO content writing experience, and that would help you out. Now the last job, content editor. You see those clips of YouTube videos that you see small, that today you see it on Monday, then all of a sudden, when you're just thinking of that topic, you now see it on Friday. Yes, content editors, they did that. Now, the pride and joy of every content marketer is when you are able to use one content to bring out lots of other content. Now, you can slice one video to give you like 10, 15 videos that will spread across the month. That is your job. And I think it has some other job descriptions as well, but this is like the basic of what I know it's about. So that's about it, and I hope this helps. Sorry, I'm trying to fix my posture. I don't want to be doing this anymore. Just do it like this. Yes. I don't want to be a 40-year-old billionaire who walks like this. No. Anyway, so that's it for jobs or top 3 jobs that content creators can do in 2025 if they know where to look. And if you're wondering where should I look, I have a video on where you can get remote jobs and freelancing gigs on this my very YouTube. I'll put it in this card, and I'll also put the link in the description as well. So keep an eye out for it. And I hope this has helped someone one way or the other, because I want all of us to be getting money. I want 30, 40, 50. I want us to be drinking wine on a yacht without a care in the world, traveling to different countries in our private jets, that kind of lifestyle. Anyway, that's enough fully for today. I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope it has been informative, educative, and interesting as always. I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, I think I forgot to say this in my previous video. See you guys. Bye.